Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn2U and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing General Grievous. Now you may have noticed that these are not my hands. We're doing a little something different this time where Drawn2U 2 is going to create a drawing and then I go in and ink on top of his drawing and do the colors. I'm really proud of what he's done here. He's gone in with the Ticonderoga 420T blue and figured out where he wants the character to be, and then he's gone over it with the regular Ticonderoga number 2 pencils. This is great. Really proud. So the basic philosophy here was to kind of recreate, be true to the artist's piece. And so based on what was there, I used the Pentel watercolor brush, the fillable, and it's just filled with India ink. And that seemed to work out pretty well. And now we're doing the colors. So some of these are the color markers from Five Below. Some of them are the Azure markers from Royal and Langnickel. And this is two telling me how to color these things here. He had a very specific way he wanted to do this. And it was very important to have General Grievous's heart there right in the middle. So we got that. And he wanted those lightsabers to be blue and green in a certain order, so we honored that too. And here we're going to go in and do the yellow and a little bit of splatter. right, so you saw a little bit of the splatter technique there with a toothbrush, and then now filling in some of these little areas to complete that with a toothpick. There's the old signature there. Tried to give it a little of the spirit of the drawing and include that little blue accident right there. So that's about going to wrap up this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Oh, we got a little stippling here to go. I hope you enjoyed this twist. Yeah, there goes the Pentel click eraser. Hope you enjoyed this twist on a theme with Drawn2U 2 drawing, and then Drawn2U takes over. We're just stippling in some little areas there, and there's our final piece right there. We had a good time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm Drawn2U.